talo bebagai saidok thorbai manaini nukhungo mankha Rasai ranai irangmari mankha kabangma flat tei property rokni silai rok wanama singsa opatimok Odisha hastini baligorao vigilance department rok rutoknani chengkha Odisha hastini baligorao IDTA ni tangkrung boikuntho nath beherani sakao koksil samong kasaka ajimani slai rangri kabang hinei koksil samong rugoi Bhubaneswarni special vigilance court ni gosimong nawui chetroi naikha Odisha vigilance rok Bhubaneswar Balasor Jajpur tei baligorao kurungbrui dolini kurungchuku thayo waisabaino chetroi naijakha aro tongkha police superintendent deputy police superintendent tei kabangkok inspector rok Rutukmani jorao kaisa bank ni lokaro 2 crore rangmari hai mankha abono kari tebo bini property tongmani bo sawi mankha.
On the allegation of possession of disproportionate assets by one Vaikuntha Nath Behera, Assistant Executive Engineer, ITDA, Baliguda, in the district of Kondamar. Simultaneous raids were conducted at 9 places today, including his residential building, paternal building, office, residential government quarter, etc. During vigilance raid today, we detected 5 high-rising buildings, 13 valuable plots in and around Bhubaneswar, gold ornaments, cash, and some bank deposits. During raid, we have recovered around 2 crore and 4 lakhs hard cash.
So it has been recovered from bank locker.
Bahike rangkisa ajiwi tongnai tutui ashuk rangri te thaisnamai mankha obnotiyei rutoknani chengjakha opatimungo Odisha khobai hakotor gnagai ornanglaikha Bureau Report News Now.